Today's presentation will be about e-reader devices and how you can read electronic books. What is an e-reader, or an electronic reader? An e-reader is an electronic device created specifically for the purpose of reading e-books. E-readers often resemble tablets. However, there are two different devices. E-readers versus e-books. Keep in mind that e-readers and e-books are two different things. E-readers are the devices used for reading e-books, whereas e-books are digital copies of books that you have to download onto your e-reader. Comparison of e-readers versus e-book apps. E-readers. They keep thousands of books on one device, built for long reading sessions, and they won't strain your eyes as much, and lighter weight so you don't get tired of holding it up. Ebook apps for mobile devices. Built into your mobile device, no need to carry around an extra gadget. Not built for long reading sessions, so it can more easily strain your eyes. And if you're not satisfied with the book's selection or setup, just download a different ebook app. Ebooks. To read an ebook on your mobile device, you must choose an e-reading application. Some examples are Apple Books, Kindle Books, Nook, and Google Play Books. To learn more about how to download ebooks onto your e-reader or mobile device, you can check out our past tutorial on ebooks, and you'll be able to check the link once you receive a copy of the presentation. E-reader advantages. Accessible anywhere. Adjustable text size. Adjustable brightness. Keeps your page. Easy to turn pages. Read aloud features. Environmentally friendly. Affordable. Many free books. And search for words or phrases. E-reader disadvantages. Some ebooks are unavailable. If stolen, more costly to replace than a book. Books cannot be sold or given away, but some can be shared. No nostalgia of having a paper book, and authors can edit ebooks after publication. Different types of e-readers. Some of the most popular e-reader brands are Kobo, Amazon Kindle, Onyx Boox, and Nook. Kobo e-readers. Price range is between $69.99 or $249.99. 8 different models. Sells Kobo ebooks. Ability to borrow books from public library. And the website description is: a better reading experience starts with a Kobo e-reader. Glare-free, lightweight, with room for thousands of books. The perfect light day or night with an adjustable front light, and more. Select waterproof models available. Kobo Models. The first one is Kobo Nia. It's $129.99, 8 gigabytes of storage, and 12 different fonts and over 50 different font styles and adjustable brightness. Kobo Clara HD. It's $149.99, 8 gigabytes of storage, and reduces blue light exposure for more comfortable nighttime reading. Kobo Aura Edition 2. The regular price is $129.99, and the waterproof one is $199.99. 4 gigabytes of storage, built-in, fully adjustable comfort light with micro-thin coating for durability and even light distribution. Kobo Models continued. Kobo Libra H2O. It's $159.99 with 8 gigabytes of storage. It's waterproof up to 60 minutes in 2 meters of water. Adjustable color temperature, and no advertising or interruptions. And then there's a Kobo Forma, which is $259.99. It has between 8 and 32 gigabytes of storage. It's waterproof up to 60 minutes in 2 meters of water. adjustable color temperature, and no advertising or interruptions. Amazon Kindle eReaders. The price is $199.99 and can go up to $329.99, sold primarily on Amazon. There are 3 different models. Offer Essential Kindle Bundles. The price is $152.97 and can go up to $394.97. 4 different bundles includes covers and power adapter. Sells Kindle eBooks, which can be bought on the Kindle app, Amazon, and on the Kindle eReader. Kindle eBooks can be accessed on the Kindle app, Amazon, and on the Kindle eReader. Prime members read free with unlimited access to hundreds of titles with Prime Reading. Kindle Models. Kindle. $119.99 with 4 gigabytes of storage. A single charge can last up to 4 weeks, and free cloud storage for all Amazon content. Kindle Paperwhite is $139.99, 8 or 32 gigabytes of storage. Single charge lasts up to 6 weeks, and same features as regular Kindle plus Paperwhite display technology. Kindle OSS. It's $329.99 and can go up to $359.99, 8 or 32 gigabytes of storage. A single charge lasts up to 6 weeks, and it's also waterproof. Nook eReaders. The price range is between $120 and $200. Sold on Barnes & Noble. Glare-free screen and read easily in direct sunlight. Adaptive glow light illumination technology. Night mode control to shift to a warm color for bedtime reading. Holds thousands of books, paper-like reading, and long battery life. Nook Models. Nook Glow Light 4. $149.99. It's compact and lightweight, and you can read for up to 50 days on a single charge. Nook Glow Light Plus. $199.99. Read for weeks on a single charge. Waterproof, wireless enabled, and audio jack for listening to podcasts. Onyx Boox. Price range $184.92 to $857.79. Currently, 13 different models are available, and each reader purchase comes with free accessories like a stylus and a case. The product's webpage includes different product size and function comparison. Sold on Amazon and on the Boox website. There are also hyperlinks on the website that direct customers to resellers like eBay. Supports Kobo and Kindle. Can also be used to create notes and draw sketches, more geared towards artists. Website description. We are proud to be the only company in the global market that supplies a full range of e-ink paper, electronics from 6 inches to 13 inches. Boox tablets deliver a truly paper-like reading, writing, and note-taking experience, and boost your efficiency with various powerful functions. Most recent Boox models. Boox Poke 3. $189.99. Highly portable, fits in your palm, with a 6-inch display. 2 gigabytes of RAM, plus 32 gigabytes of ROM storage. Quick transfer speed. Nova Air. $349.99. 7.8-inch backlit screen. And 3 gigabytes of RAM, plus 32 gigabytes of ROM storage. Most recent Boox models. Mira. $799.99. 13.3-inch backlit screen. Mira Pro 25.3-inch screen. And such a device is suitable for those who spend a lot of time reading and editing text and documents. What's the best e-reader? Everyone will have their own preferences, but general consensus from our research says that the top 3 e-readers are Kindle Paperwhite, Kobo Clara HD, and Kobo Libra H2O. Make sure to do your own research. Sites like wirecutter.com review products thoroughly and are a great place to research anything you are thinking of buying. Free ebooks to download, borrow, or read online. So over here are 5 different links which you can use to read ebooks. There's Open Library, Standard Ebooks, Met Publications, BookBub, and Project Gutenberg. And now we'll be going into a live demo. So over here is bestbuy.com. Over here you'll find different types of e-readers, like the ones we mentioned in the presentation. There's Amazon's Kindle Paperwhite, the Kindle Oasis, and a lot of others that were mentioned in the presentation. You can sort the prices by best match, best selling, price low to high, price high to low, customer rating, new arrivals, brand A to Z, and brand Z to A. So over here is an example of an e-reader. It's an Amazon Kindle Paperwhite that has 8 gigabytes of storage. The price is over here, which is $139.99. Over here you can see the different images from different angles of the e-reader. And you can see how it's waterproof over here. If you go more down, you can see similar e-readers and more to consider. And you can also check the reviews at the bottom to see if you want to buy it or not. Over here, the rating is 4.9 out of 5, which is a very good rating. And 97% of people would recommend this to a friend. You can also read the different reviews people have given to check if you want to buy it or if you don't. And that concludes our presentation on e-readers. Thank you all so much for listening. And if you'd like to learn this lesson with a Cyber Seniors mentor, you can go to cyberseniors.org or call 1-844-217-3057 to register for a one-on-one phone session. And we also host weekly tech drop-in sessions from 2 to 3 p.m. Eastern Time on Thursdays.